Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Bloomberg Terminal, updated. Start by logging in, confirming permissions, and opening the order ticket to enter ticker, side, size, and price. Next, check real-time market data, depth, and last trade to decide on limit or market orders. Finally, use the appropriate execution venue like EMSCs or single dealer platforms and confirm order status in the blotter before leaving your terminal. Bloomberg supports market, limit, stop, and advanced algo orders to suit different strategies. Use market orders for speed, limit orders to control price, and stop orders to manage downside. Explore EMSC's algos for smart order routing and reduce market impact when trading larger sizes. Always check execution venue, fees, and connectivity settings before sending an order to ensure it matches your risk and cost preferences during live markets. After sending orders, monitor fills and life cycle events in the blotter and reconcile with your portfolio. Look for ACK, partial, or fill messages and check for any rejections or exceptions. Use alerts and customized screen layouts to keep an eye on key tickers and market-moving news. Maintain a routine of verifying order confirmation and post-trade reports to ensure accurate records and to identify any execution issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.